Hi, this is a tutorial for the course term tool in Argos. The course term report allows you to obtain all of the course schedule data for any term. Because this report is so valuable, it appears in several different locations within Argos. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using the course term Dr. Wolf version. This version of the report has an added column listing students who are enrolled and who have paid for the course. This additional information can be helpful in determining which classes to cancel. When exporting the data, however, the results are identical to the regular course term report. The course term Dr. Wolf tool is located in the Instructional Services folder and then in the Instructional Services Reports subfolder. Clicking on the report will bring up the dashboard. You can select by term, instructional method, department, and parts of term. You can also set the search results to sort by different options. You can also limit the results by whether the enrollment has exceeded the max room capacity or whether the section has a blank room assignment. For this tutorial, we will look at the Fall 2019 term in the Engineering and Media Technologies department. We won't limit any other search items. Clicking on the Execute button will generate the results in the box below. All of the course information is displayed. The course term Dr. Wolf version includes an extra column that lets us know how many of the enrolled students have paid tuition. Scrolling to the right will reveal additional columns with data about the room capacity and the instructional method. While looking at the data in the Argos can be useful, downloading the results to Excel allows a much better way to analyze the course schedule, although the downloaded version does not contain the tuition paid information. I hope you find this very useful.